Ah! Jesus.
Yeah.
Ow! Ah! Oh my god!
Oh,
Ah!
oh no, oh no, oh no, you activated it. You hit the button. No, no. Oh gosh, okay, hold on. Where's my mouse? I think I turned it off. Nope, it's still going.
God. Oh no!
I think it stopped. Yep, it stopped. Okay. Fucking hell. Okay, so you saw part of what this will do. Nope, that doesn't work the way I thought it would. Okay.
I hit the button out of curiosity and it just went apeshit.
Yeah, no, do not hit that button. Do not hit that button.
Oh, my head. Almost dead.
Goodness gracious. What did you two hooligans do?
Don't worry about it. I need to fly away. He was killing me.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
I heard you guys saying, oh no, and I'm like, did you guys really do what I think you did?
No. We haven't activated the boss fight yet, but he's making a...
Where
I'm making an
did
enemy
the
spawner.
platform go?
Honestly, I don't need this part up here, I just realized. Darn.
Great.
Where is
Do not press the button again.
Do not press the button. You pressed the damn button!
Yeah, that's my best friend for you. You just made me place so many random platforms.
Oh my god, there's like 60 mimics down here.
My god.